Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set an auto-reply message on your Facebook page. First, open Facebook and go to your business page. On the left side menu, click on Inbox. This is where you manage all your messages. Now look at the top of the page and select Automations. A new panel will open with different automation options. Find the option that says Instant Reply. Toggle the switch to turn it on. This feature sends an automatic message to anyone who sends a message to your page. Next, click on Edit to customize your message. A text box will appear where you can type what you want people to receive automatically. Write a friendly and clear message. For example, you could say, "Thank you for contacting us. We have received your message and will get back to you shortly." You can also add contact details or business hours to let customers know when to expect a reply. Once your message is ready, click Save. That is how you set up auto-reply messages on a Facebook page to improve customer communication automatically. Thanks for watching.